Hi guys, today we are going to discuss Cambridge Primary Checkpoint is CAIE, Cambridge Assessment International Education. From April 2022, the past paper code is 0846/02 and it's Science Paper 2 for Stage 6 or Year 6, or in some countries will be in Grade 5. Total mark for this is 50 marks. You may use calculator. Today's discussion will be in quiz form, question and answer. You'll be given time interval to get your own answer. After that, you can match with the revealed answer. And there's explanation follow after each answer is revealed. If you follow this video till the very end, you may, at the very end of this video, will display the full screen of the question only without answer. So if you like to save it in your laptop and use it for practice purpose, you may do so, or if you want to print it out while doing along this quiz, you may do so. Let's get started from question number 1. 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Here is a diagram of the 3 states of matter of water. Substance A, process X, liquid water boiling, substance B, and the reverse is substance B, process Z into liquid water, and process Y into substance A. Name substance A and B 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Okay, here you go. A is ice, and then turn into liquid water. Boiling into substance B is water vapor, or you may also answer steam. That will be the correct answer. And then that's it. Next, we move on to 1B. Question 1B. Name process X. What is process X? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Okay, X is melting. It's easy. From ice to liquid water, we need melting process. Next, 1C. Okay, name process Y. From liquid water into ice. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's open up the answer. So it's freezing. Y is from liquid water to ice is freezing. Hope it's clear. Next, we move on to question 1D. Alright, 1D, name process Z here. So Z, water vapor. The answer from the 1A, water vapor into liquid water. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's open up the answer. So it's condensation from water vapor into liquid water. Next, let's move on to next question. Question 2. The diagram shows a man parachuting. Question A force slows the speed of the man. Write down the name of this force. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Here we go. It's air resistance. Air resistance is the answer for a force that slows down the speed of the man. It's going up while the man is this is air resistance, while the man's gravity pull him downwards. Here's a bit of explanation. Air resistance move upwards against the movement of the man downwards. The downward movement is due to the weight force because of gravitational force from the center of the earth. Alright, next question 2B. Question 2B. The weight of the man pulls him towards the earth. Weight is different to mass. Complete the sentences about the difference between weight and mass. The unit of weight is what and unit of mass is what? 10 seconds from
10,
now.
9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Here you go. The unit of weight is Newton. The unit of mass is kilogram. Next. Leslie investigates sinking. Leslie uses a rubber ball that does not sink in water. She adds one pin to the rubber ball, then puts the rubber ball in the water. She observes if the rubber ball sinks. Here is part of her method. Collect a beaker of water, pins, and a rubber ball. Put the rubber ball in the water here. And if yes, record how many pins are in the rubber ball. If no, then do the process B and put the rubber ball in the water. Next question. Question A. A question is missing from box A in her method. Write down this missing question. Out here. Alright, so you're given 10 seconds from now to fill the answer for 3A. A question is missing from box A. Write down the missing question in here. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
If you're not done, you may pause this video. Now let's reveal the answer. The answer will be, does it sink? If you have any other option, you may write down in the comment section, and Susan here YouTube channel, we will clarify to you. So does it sink? If yes, record. If no, process B. Now this is question B. An instruction is missing from box B in her method. Write down this missing instruction. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Here we go. Add one pin to the rubber ball. Then put up, that is B, then put the rubber ball in the water and check, does it sink? Yes or no. So just keep repeating this process. That will be the answer for 3B. Next. Question 4. Plants have life cycle. Look at the parts of the life cycles of a plant. Fertilization, seed production, stage X, germination. Describe what happens during stage X. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's open up the answer. Here we go. So it's seed dispersal. So after seed production, it will be dispersed. And then after that, at the right place and temperature, it will germinate. Next, we move on to question 4B. Question 4B suggests why stage X occurs during the life cycle of a plant. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Here we go. To spread out seeds so they can grow in other places. If you have any other answer, you may write down in the comment section if you need clarification, because this is an open answer question. The answer may be different from one student to another student. Next, we move on to 4C. Here you go. 4C, complete the sentence. Seed production happens in the something of a plant. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Here we go. The answer is the ovary of a plant. Let's take a look for a while. Here's the explanation. Pollen grain is from the male parts. It moved down to the ovule and fuse with the ovule. Then it will form a seed inside. These structures we call as ovary. So seed formation is in the ovary. Next. We go for D. Complete the sentence. Fertilization happens when? 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Here we go. So ovum and pollen fuse together. That will be the answer. Next, question 5. Okay, Ahmed ties 3 balloons to an empty drink container. 1, 2, 3 balloon, drink container, top of the table. He puts the drink container above the top of the table. The forces are balanced, so the drink container does not move. Question A. Ahmed measure the distance between the drink container and the top of the table. Here, name the equipment he uses to measure the distance. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's open up the answer. Well, the answer is ruler, of course. You can measure with ruler. Next, let's move on. Next question. Ahmed repeats his investigation with a smaller drink container. To make the forces balance, he adds water to the smaller drink container. Ahmed measures the water. Complete the sentences. Ahmed measured the water in a blank. The volume of water he measured is blank. Cubic centimeter. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Here we go. So measuring the water in a measuring cylinder. This is measuring cylinder. The water he measured is 6.5. It's just in the middle between 6 and 7. So in the middle is 6.5, this level. Next. Now we are in question 6. This question is about dissolving. Draw a line between the word and its correct meaning. Word insoluble, soluble, solution, solvent. Meaning a solid that dissolves in water, a liquid that dissolves, a solid that does not dissolve in water, a mixture of a dissolved solid and water. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Here we go. So insoluble is a solid that does not dissolve in water. Soluble is a solid that dissolves in water. Solution is a mixture of dissolved solid and water. Solvent is the liquid that dissolves a solid. Alright, next. If you feel confused about this topic, you may write down in the comment section, so we'll reply to you with another video. Next. Here we go. Question 7. Jamila finds pictures of different animals on the internet. A fox. Alright, pig means low, loris, sloth, spoonbill, eagle, and camel. Question A. Complete the sentences using these animals. A. The animal that grips and tears the flesh of its prey is D. Blank. It grips its prey because it has blank. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Oh, this is an open answer question. The answer may be more than one. Different students may answer differently as long as we give the correct answer. If you need to clarify, please feel free to write down in the comment section in Susan here YouTube channel. Animal that grips and tears the flesh of its prey, and here we choose an eagle. It grips its prey because it has sharp beak here. Alright. Next, we move on to question B. The animal that hears its prey when it's a long distance away is D. It hears its prey because it has what? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So since we have answered eagle for question and we do B with fox. We can see from picture that it has large ears to detect its prey from long distance. So let's move on to next question. Mia is playing a guitar. Complete the sentence. A. Mia hears the guitar because the air between the guitar and her ear length. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Well, the answer is vibrate. That's how Mia hears the guitar, because the air vibrate and reach her ears. Next question, 8B. 8B, complete the sentence. Changing the length of the guitar string will change the length of the sound. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, let's open up the answer. Well, changing the length of the guitar will change the pitch of the sound, because it changes the frequency of the sound when we change the length of guitar. So let's move on to 8C. Alright, complete the sentence. Plucking the guitar string with more force will make the sound what? 10 seconds from now?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, let's open up the answer. Here we go. So more force will make the sound louder, because it will increase the amplitude. Next. Alright, let's move on to question 9. Oliver investigates shadows. He makes a butterfly shape. Butterfly is a transparent material on the dot and opaque material for the body. He shines a light on the butterfly shape. A shadow is made on the screen. Question A. Draw the shadow Oliver sees on the screen. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. If you have not finished, you may take time to draw, then just pause this video. Now we will reveal the answer. Here we go. So we draw like this. Since opaque. Alright, it will be the example of the correct answer. Since the opaque material does not let the light pass through, so the body will be black, and the white dot in here is a transparent material, so it will let the light pass through and it will result in the white spot on the screen. Alright, let's move on to question B. The butterfly is moved closer to the screen. The light is not moved. Describe what happens to the shadow. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Okay, so the shadows get smaller as the butterfly moves closer to the screen. It is further away from the source of light and less light is blocked, so the shadow will get smaller. Next. Here we go, question 10. Different materials have different properties. Draw a line between each material and its correct property. Material: copper, gasoline, oxygen, salt, steel. Property: colorless gas, attracted towards a magnet. Silver liquid, red brown solid, flammable, white solid, soft. 10 seconds from now. If you have not finished in 10 seconds, you may pause this video.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Here we go. So copper is red brown solid, gasoline is flammable, oxygen is colorless gas. Alright, and then gasoline is flammable, oxygen colorless gas, salt is white solid, and steel is attracted towards a magnet. Alright, let's move on to question 11. Question 11. Xavier connects an electrical circuit. Switch, cell, wire, lamp A and lamp B lamp A does not light. Question A, Sophia says lamp B will light. Tick to show if Sophia is correct, yes or no. Explain your answer. You're given 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, so let's open up the answer. So lamp B will light. The answer will be no, because the switch is open here. And lamp B is within the same circuit in here. So there will be no current flow and light up lamp B. Next question, 11B. Here we go. Question B. What does Sophia do to make lamp A light? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So she closed the switch to make lamp A light. Next, question C. What flows through the electrical circuit when lamp A lights? What flow? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Is electrical current. Okay, let's move on to question 12. Here we go, question 12. Class 6 investigates where insects lived. They look under logs of wood at the top of the pile, logs of wood at the bottom of the pile. These are the 3 students. They count the number of insects under each log. Question A. Class 6 make their investigation a fair test. Circle one way they make their investigation a fair test. Is it add water to each log? Different children count the number of insects, or only count the first 10 insects? Use gloves to lift the logs, or use the same size logs? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Okay, so use the same size logs. That will be a fair test. So they can count the number of insects under each same size logs and make the test. That's one of the factors that make the investigation a fair test. Well, using glove will be for safety. That will be related to the safety to avoid the insects bite. Alright, next question 12B. 12B says the class make a prediction. Most of the insects will be found under the logs at the bottom of the pile. The reason is that the logs at the bottom of the pile are cooler. Write down 2 other reasons why they make this prediction. The logs at the bottom of the pile are what? And the logs at the bottom of the pile are what? 2 more reasons. You'll be given 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, if you have not finished, you may pause this video. Now let's open up the answer. So it will be, this is the example of the correct answer. More moist or hidden from predator. Next question 12C now. Right, 12C. They measure the temperature under the logs at the bottom of the pile. Name the equipment they use to measure the temperature. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's open up the answer. Here we go. So thermometer will be the answer. Next. Now we're in question 13. Chan cooks some rice. He puts the rice in boiling water. Keep the water boiling for 15 minutes until the rice is cooked. Question A. What is the temperature of the boiling water? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So the answer is 100 degrees Celsius. Alright, let's move on. Now in question B, describe how chance separates the rice from the water. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Well, it's by sieving the mixture to separate the rice from the water. Alright, next. Here we go, question 13. What type of change is cooking rice? Take the correct answer. Reversible or irreversible? Explain your answer. Well, 10 seconds. If you have not seen that before.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0.
So let's open up the answer. But if you have seen the answer previously by mistake, then it's a bonus question for you. Now let's open up the answer. Okay, so it's irreversible. The answer is we cannot uncook the rice. Irreversible is a type of change that cannot be reversed back, but reversible is the type of change that can be reversed back, like ice melting into water, and water can be reversed back to ice. But when we cook rice, we cannot uncook the rice. Next, question 14. Here you go, question 14. Pair and use it make a model of a part of the solar system. Question A. Write down the name of the path label X 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's open up the answer. Okay, so it's an orbit. Here is an orbit. Next, question 14b. Pierre says the Earth spins on its axis once a day. Take two sentences that show Pierre is the correct sentence. Different parts of the Earth are in day or night. The Earth moves around the Sun. The Moon moves around the Earth. There are 12 months in a year. There are 24 hours in a day. Which two of these should we take? So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, let's open up the answer. Here we go. So different parts of the Earth are in day or night. So that will be the result of the Earth's spin on its axis. There are 24 hours in a day. Next. Okay, now we are in question 15. The diagram shows the outline of a body. A, B, C, D, E. Question A. Which label on the outline of the body shows the position of the brain? Circle the correct answer. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Oh, the answer is A, of course. Position of brain is here on the head parts, top parts. Question B. Look at the pictures of an organ here. Which label of the outline of the body shows the position of this organ? Circle the correct answer. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's open up the answer. So it must be here. Liver is located here in the middle part, so it should be D. This is a liver organ in our digestive system. Next, question C. What is the function of this organ? Circle the correct answer. Is chewing food, breaking down poisons, digesting food, or taking oxygen? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So it must be liver is to breaking down poison in the body. Not chewing food, not digesting food, and not taking in oxygen. That is for the breathing system, lungs. Chewing is in the mouth. Digesting food is for the whole digesting system. Wow, that's all for question 15. We go question 16. Here is a table of information about some materials A, B, C, D, E. Is it attracted to a magnet? No, 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 yes and no. Does it have a melting point below 20 degrees Celsius? No, no, yes, no, yes. Is it transparent? Yes, no, yes, no, no. One material is water. Circle the material that is water. A, B, C, D, or E. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So it's C, because water is transparent, so we just have to have the two choice A or C. Though how do we decide it is C? So water's melting point is 0, so it has melting point below 20. It should be yes. That's why we choose C next. So this is the last question of this paper. As we said in beginning, we'll scroll all over from the first page, only the question. Now you may take a screenshot and save in a laptop or print it out for practice purpose. Let's get started. So here we go. This is the first page. Small. This is first page. Now this is the second page. First question. A, B, C, D. You may pause and take a screenshot. Next, this is question 2AB, 2AB. And this is question 3A. This is question 3A. And next, this is question this is 3B. This is 3B. 3A and B. This is 3B. So 3A and B. Here we go. Next, this is question 4A, B, C, D. 4A, B, C, D. This is question 5A. This is question 5B. This is question 6. This is question 7. A and B. 7A and B. This is the zoom in question 7. And question 7A and B. Next, this is question 8A, B. And then C. 8A, B, C, and that's it. A, B, C. Only for question 8, A, B, C. Next, this is question 9. This is 9A. 9A, and this is 9B. This is 9B. Now this is question 10. 10. Okay, this is question 10. This is question 11A and 11B in 11C. 11A, B, and C. Here we go. You can take 11A, B, C, and now this is question 12. This is question 12B and C. And this is question 13, A, B, C. Next is question 14A and 14B. 14A and B. Let me zoom in. 14A and 14B. 14A and B. 14A and B. Right next is question 15. Pictures and the question 15A. Here we go, 15A, and this is 15B and C. Next is question 16. That's it for this paper. So today we have discussed science checkpoint primary level, paper 2, April 2022, with the past paper code 0846/02. All the science primary checkpoint for Cambridge has this rainbow item. If you open the Susan Hira homepage in YouTube channel, you may recognize the primary checkpoint with these two rainbow thing. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as it will really motivate us to make more video like this, and ring the bell so you will not miss any of our new release video for the latest past paper. for grade 3 to grade 12. Like and share to anybody who might need this video. Click this button under the right bottom corner. In Susan Hira YouTube channel, you will see all other links from grade 3 to grade 12. All the past paper, the most update and recent past paper. We'll see you in the next video. If you have any question, request, comment, idea, please feel free to write in the comment section, or if you need further explanation. So today's discussion is conducted by Solubility online together for all the subject and syllabus. Email us if you are interested to join with our online tuition, or if you have any unsolved past paper. We will see what we can do for you. And don't forget, check the links. Bye bye, and see you from now. We hope today's discussion will be helpful to you, and God bless you.